Crafting consistent characters for your creative projects has become effortless with the innovative Flux AI, a cutting-edge platform designed to help you bring your characters to life. Whether you're developing a game, an animation, or a graphic novel, Flux AI offers precision and ease. Here's how to create consistent characters step by step using this amazing tool. Step 1. Visit Flux AI and sign up. Head to the Flux AI website and create a free account. The tool's sleek interface ensures even beginners can navigate it without any hassle. Step 2. Define your character's concept. Before diving into the creation, outline your character's backstory, personality, and visual traits. Flux AI lets you input these details to ensure the final design aligns with your vision. Step 3. Select the character template. Flux AI offers a variety of base templates to kickstart your design. Choose one that matches your character's genre, such as fantasy, sci-fi, or realistic. Step 4. Customize features and detail. Use Flux AI's powerful customization tools to adjust facial features, hairstyles, outfits, and more. The platform allows for micro adjustments, ensuring each detail remains consistent across all poses and iterations. Step 5. Save and export your character. Once you're happy with your creation, save your character and export it in your preferred format. Flux AI supports compatibility with animation and game development software for seamless integration. With Flux AI, creating a consistent character in 2025 is faster and more accessible than ever. Unleash your creativity and let your characters shine like never before. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.